tell you about Fairhope, Alabama. This town was founded in November of 1894 as a Georgist single tax colony by the Fairhope Industrial Association, a group of 28 followers of economist Henry George. They had a strategy. Their corporate constitution explained their purpose. It says, to establish and conduct a model of community or colony free from all forms of monopoly, and to secure to its members therein equality of opportunity and the full reward of individual efforts. In other words, the corporation pays all governmental taxes. The purpose of the single tax colony was to eliminate disincentives for productive use of the land and thereby retain the value of the community. So let me break this down for you even more. Outside of Fairhope, if you have an idea that you want to pursue, regulation and taxes increase as your journey towards success increases, and it progressively hinders the potential for greatness. Well, in Fairhope, the corporation allowed for empowerment of creative expression. The leaders paid the dues and empowered the people to create. What an amazing picture of empowering leadership. That's your job, to handle the issues, allowing your people the unrestrained freedom to create and imagine. Think about that for a moment. What would your organization become if your people were working with the absence of restraint, with the freedoms found in creative expression and the pride of individual accomplishment? I imagine that your organization would see some pretty exciting days. Incidentally, Fairhope Avenue was one of the properties on the 1910 version of the board game, The Landlord's Game, which was the precursor of Monopoly. Why? Because their strategy worked. As you lead your organization, consider the restraints you put on your people, the stress that rolls off of you and lands on them, the deadlines, the inadequacies of middle management, the lack of vision. Maybe it's the actual work environment. It's dirty or noisy or ergonomically less than ideal. Each of these regulations are hindering your workforce and creating suboptimal performance in your people. You gotta stop it. Be the leader and lift those things from your people so that they can create. Now, let me tell you, that's a strategy for success.